Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
How was your day?
It was good. Thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Aisha.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Are you Indian?
No, I'm not. I'm Canadian.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two brothers.
Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
What do you do?
I'm student.
Are you married or single?
I'm single.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy playing basketball.
How did you learn English?
I took classes for 2 years.
What's the day today?
Today is October 1st.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher, Mr. Rafiq.
Do you know who Ali is?
No, who is he?
Who is Alicia?
I've never heard of her.
Do you know Lisa?
Yes, she is my friend.
Do you have boyfriend?
No, I don't.
What's your telephone number?
My number is 12375.
How long have you been here?
I have been here for 3 weeks.
What's your hobby?
I like playing sports, especially badminton.
How much money do you have?
I only have $20. Not a lot.
What time is it?
It's 4:30 p.m.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I love reading books.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Singapore.
What's your favorite music genre?
I like listening to rock music.
What's your favorite animal?
I love dolphin.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Can you speak any other language?
Yes, I speak Hindi.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Friday.
Do you have any pets?
I have a cat named Minnie.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you like to take photographs?
Yes, I enjoy photographs.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Have you been ridden a horse?
Yes, I have ridden a horse.
Can you whistle?
Yes, I can whistle.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is rose.
Do you like to go for long walks?
Yes, I find long walks relaxing.
Can you do yoga?
Yes, I practice yoga regularly.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
How much is this?
This is $10.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Mexican cuisine.
Are you thirsty?
A little.
Do you want coffee or tea?
Coffee, please.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to cats.
What do you want to eat?
Some fruits.
Do you like Indian food?
Yes, I love Indian food.
Do you drive a car?
Yes, it's a truck.
Are you sick?
Yeah, I have slight cold.
How do you feel today?
I feel great.
When are you leaving today?
I'm leaving on Friday.
What time are you leaving?
I'm leaving at 5 o'clock.
Where are your friends?
They went to the restaurant.
Are these a lot of people there?
No, only like 10.
Is it going rain today?
No, I don't think so.
Are you afraid?
No, I'm not afraid of anything.
Are you busy at the moment?
No, I'm not.
Is this your?
No, it's not mine.
Would you like to come with us?
Yeah, that would be great.
When are you coming back?
I will be back on Monday.
How soon can you pay me back?
I can pay you back tomorrow.
Is your friend Chinese?
Yes, he is.
How long have you known each other?
Since children.
Who would you like to speak told?
I would like to speak told Ali.